We live in an increasingly unpredictable world. Look around. Food shortages, skyrocketing prices, and supply chains on the brink. Having a well-stocked survival pantry isn't just about prepping for doomsday scenarios. It's about resilience. It's about having peace of mind when a natural disaster strikes or when an unexpected blizzard keeps you housebound. This video is your wake-up call. We're going to cover 11 must-have foods to get you started and see you through thick and thin. Let's get to it. First up, we're talking beans and lentils. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein and fiber to keep you going when the going gets tough. They have a shelf life of up to 30 years if stored properly. They're incredibly versatile. You can toss them in soups, stews, salads, or even grind them into flour for baking. When it comes to storage, keep those beans and lentils in airtight containers in a cool, dark, and dry place. You want to keep moisture and pests at bay. Protein is crucial for maintaining your energy levels, muscle mass, and overall health. Beans and lentils are your ticket to staying strong and fueled up when the unexpected hits. Don't underestimate the power of these humble legumes. Next up, we're talking about grains, but not just any grains. We're talking about the ancient grains that have sustained civilizations for centuries. Millet, quinoa, rice, oats. These grains are like the superheroes of the food world, resilient, adaptable, and packed with energy to fuel your body. They're the ultimate survival food, and they should have a prime spot in your pantry. You can cook them up as a porridge for breakfast, use them as a base for a hearty salad, or even grind them into flour for bread. When it comes to storage, airtight containers are your best friend. Keep those grains in a cool, dark place, and they'll last you for years. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. Stock up on those ancient grains and tap into the power that has sustained generations before you. They're the key to staying energized and resilient when the going gets tough. Now, let's talk about fuel. And no, I'm not talking about starting a fire, though that's important too. I'm talking about the fuel that keeps your body running, cooking oils and fats. Just like a fire needs fuel to burn, your body needs calories and healthy fats to function properly, especially in a survival situation. They're calorie-dense, meaning they pack a lot of energy into a small package. When choosing oils for your survival pantry, go for the ones with a longer shelf life. Coconut oil is a great option. It's shelf-stable, incredibly versatile, and can be used for everything from cooking to first aid. Ghee, or clarified butter, is another fantastic choice. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking, and it can last for months without refrigeration. Store your oils and fats in airtight containers in a cool, dark place. Stock up on those long-lasting oils and keep your internal fire burning bright. Nuts and seeds, nature's power snacks. In a survival situation, you're going to need some snacks to keep you going between meals. And when those cravings hit, you want to be prepared with something that's not only satisfying, but also nutritious. That's where nuts and seeds come in. They're like nature's power snacks, packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. The options are endless. Just keep them in airtight containers in a cool, dark place, and they'll last you for months. Nuts and seeds provide a concentrated source of nutrients and energy, helping you stay fueled and focused when it matters most. Think of them as your survival multivitamins. Canned fish, survival from the sea. Canned fish like tuna, sardines, salmon, and mackerel are nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. They have an incredibly long shelf life. You can stock up on canned fish now and rest assured that it will be there for you when you need it most. Canned fish is also incredibly versatile. You can eat it straight from the can, add it to salads, make fish cakes, or even use it as a base for a quick and easy soup. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength, especially in a survival situation where you might be more physically active. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. It's a survival staple that should be in every prepper's pantry. Powdered eggs survival scramble, anyone? Next up, we're cracking open the world of powdered eggs. Powdered eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients, and they have an incredibly long shelf life. Fresh eggs are delicate and require refrigeration. Powdered eggs, on the other hand, are shelf-stable and can last for years if stored properly. To use powdered eggs, simply mix them with water according to package instructions, and voila! You've got scrambled eggs, omelets, or even a batch of cookies ready to go. Protein is crucial for maintaining your energy levels, building and repairing tissues, and supporting a healthy immune system. Powdered eggs provide a convenient and shelf-stable way to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Dried fruits and vegetables, nature's candy and crunch. In a survival situation, fresh fruits and vegetables might be hard to come by. But that doesn't mean you have to miss out on essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. That's where dried fruits and vegetables come in. They're like nature's candy and crunch, packed with flavor and nutrients. Think dried mangoes, apricots, raisins, bananas. They're all fantastic sources of natural sugars for a quick energy boost. Dried vegetables like carrots, zucchini, tomatoes, and even mushrooms add a burst of flavor and nutrition to soups, stews, and trail mixes. Just keep them in airtight containers in a cool, dark place, and they'll last you for months. Dried fruits and vegetables provide a convenient and shelf-stable way to ensure you're getting your daily dose of these vital nutrients. Fermented foods, gut instincts for survival. In a survival situation, maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that help keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. Think sauerkraut, kimchi, pickles, yogurt. These tangy and flavorful foods are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. They help replenish your gut flora, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. Fermented foods also have a naturally long shelf life due to the fermentation process, making them ideal for survival situations. A healthy gut is a happy gut, and in a survival situation, a happy gut means a healthier and more resilient you. Stock up on those fermented foods and give your gut the love it deserves. Let's face it, in a survival situation, morale is just as important as food and water. A positive mindset and a sense of normalcy can make all the difference in the world. And that's where coffee and tea come in. They're not just beverages, they're rituals, routines, and little pick-me-ups that can boost your spirits and keep you going. For coffee lovers, I recommend storing vacuum-sealed coffee beans or grounds. And for tea enthusiasts, explore the world of loose-leaf tea or tea bags. In a survival situation, it's the little things that can make a big difference. A warm cup of coffee or tea can provide a sense of comfort, normalcy, and even a social connection if you're sharing it with loved ones. Now let's talk about calcium. In a survival situation, you might not have access to fresh milk, but that doesn't mean you have to miss out on this essential nutrient. Powdered milk and milk alternatives are here to save the day. Powdered milk is just what it sounds like. Milk that has had the water removed, giving it a much longer shelf life. Just add water and voila! You've got milk for your cereal, baking, or even just a comforting glass of milk. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options, there are plenty of powdered milk alternatives available, such as almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk powder. These alternatives are often fortified with calcium and other essential nutrients, making them a great option for survival. Stock up on powdered milk or milk alternatives and keep your body strong and healthy. Finally, let's talk about multivitamins. In a perfect world, we would get all the vitamins and minerals we need from a balanced and varied diet. But in a survival situation, access to fresh, nutrient-rich food might be limited. That's where multivitamins come in. They act as an insurance policy, helping to fill in any nutritional gaps and ensure your body is getting the nutrients it needs to function properly. Look for a high-quality multivitamin that contains a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. In a survival situation, a multivitamin can be a valuable tool to help keep your body functioning at its best. There you have it, folks. 11 must-have survival foods to get you started on your prepping journey. Remember, we're not just preparing for the worst-case scenario. We're building resilience, self-sufficiency, and peace of mind. Don't wait for disaster to strike before you start thinking about your survival pantry. The time to prepare is now. Start small, gradually build up your supplies, and remember, knowledge is power. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and remember, stay prepared, stay resilient, and I'll see you out in the wild. And don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips and tricks to help you thrive in any situation.